What's up, guys? It's January 16th, 2024. Had a broad bear channel. Bulls and bears were making money, so it's definitely a broad channel. If only one side is making money, it's a tight channel. If both sides are making money, it's a broad channel. So yesterday was a sell-off into a range-bound environment. The morning sold off pretty quick, and by bar 8 we were in a channel or a range, however you want. A channel and a range is kind of the same thing. A channel is a range that's tilted. Gap down, bar 1. Gap down with bar 1 being continuation. It's also a trading range bar. Bar 2 is a trend bar, selling, breaking out of bar 1's range, and then go for 2 legs down. I'm counting the wick, leg 1, leg 2, and a reversal. 50% of the time reversals, 50% of the time the market can sell, or excuse me, 50%, there's that leg 1, leg 2 by the way. 50% of the time when the market rate is in a trend, like right from the open, like a bunch of bull bars, a bunch of bear bars, 50% of the time it will be a test of support and resistance and can reverse. So this 50% of the time it didn't reverse, and this is the other 50% where it does reverse. Bar 5 is a doji. On a lower time frame, this is a 2-bar reversal. Bar 6 is a strong bull bar with they're buying the lows, and they almost bought all the way up to the close. We can see a small tick on that. First 6 bars of the day is a gap down with continuation and a reversal bar, so maybe more selling pressure, but bar 1 is a range, bar 4 is a range, so selling pressure with range bound tendencies. And that's actually what we got, was a broad bear channel. Bar 7 looks like it could become a bear trap because maybe people were looking for that leg 1, leg 2 move. But after a gap down and 50% of the time we can reverse, it looks like the market was reversing with bar 6. Bar 8 by the close, bar 9 is by the close, bar 10 is by the close, but they're all under the EMA, so you have to ask yourself, do you really want to be buying the close? Maybe you are if you're bought low and that's part of your plan. For me, I was waiting to see what happens at the EMA. Bar 10 was a strong enough close above the EMA with the trading range bar. I thought we can go for, move up into yesterday's close and fill the gap. I got long on bar 10 with the market order. Bar 11 happened to race up and it was bouncing around, so some sort of wedge was forming on a lower time frame, and it was faster than all these bars, so I ended up hitting out 1 bar later. It was about a 7-point trade. I liked it. I caught it a day quickly. Yeah, so because I got in like right here, so it was about 7 points. I made it a little bit more than 350. Really nice day. Bar 13 looks like it could be follow through, but bar 14 is a deep pullback, so now we have a reversal / breakout. Leg 1, leg 2 is not symmetrical to leg 1, so that's not good. Here it looks like the range from bars 8 to 10 were met on bar 15. I didn't take that trade. I wanted to take it to this close right here, but when bar 11 raced up, I had to get out because it could be exhaustion with the gap down and more selling. I'm happy I got out because of this. I would have got stopped out. A break even would have been very annoying. Bars 15, 16, and 17, really bad follow through, but it is follow through for the Bulls, and they're failing to close one bar above yesterday's bar 81. We see a lot of testing, but no strong closes. Oh, I was working on the bar by bar thing. That's why the colors are different. So we can see the market's getting tested here, and it starts to act as a double top. Bar 18 looks like a strong sell signal. Reversal bar. It's an outside. It might not be an outside bar. It might not be an outside bar, but actually, it really depends how you want to see an outside bar. It's at the previous bar's high. Oh, it's not an outside. Never mind. I'm tripping. It didn't even close. I zoomed in. This tick is below. So bar 18 actually is just a inside bar. If you go short, you're shorting below. You're shorting into the low of bar 17's range. However, bar 19 breaks out and becomes a strong sell vacuum, testing the high of bar 8, which is the previous breakout level. Wait, how deep did this go? Yeah, so testing the high of bar 8. This bar 19, is sold off, and it raced back up, and then it sold off again. So there's already some sort of wedge being formed. Bar 20 is an inside bar, but on yesterday's low. This could give off leg 1, leg 2 vibes for bars 6 to 8 being the leg 1 and then this being the leg 2, but it is not symmetrical. Bar 21 and 22 is 2 training range bars. There are bullish bars, but the market's had a big down, big up, big down, and now the bars are getting more wicky. Bar 22 is a strong bar above the EMA, but what's it next to? On the left of it's a strong sell between 18 and 19. And we see a wick again testing the high of bar 81 from yesterday. Bar 24 is a sell, but bull is a 2-bar reversal. Bar 25, bull is trying to reverse, and you can see the market's consolidating from in terms of the market cycle trend. Or I guess this is not really a trend. This is a reversal. We went range, and now we're going sideways, waiting for breakout mode. Double bottom, double top. Whenever there's a double bottom, double top, it's better to just wait for 2-bar follow through on either side, which would be waiting for the breakout with confirmation. We start to break out with bars 26 through 28. Bar 27 is a little bit weak. It would have been nice if that closed below the EMA, but bar 28 did close, and then bar 29 was a good follow through. I think this is a good short, but if you get short here, you have to be ready for a reversal and just get out. And reversal, I mean just price movement against you. I don't mean ready to hit into the reversal. Get ready to hit out of this trade if price bounces because of bars 20, because of the prior price action, the bullish price action. Bar 30 is follow through for bar 28, which is really small follow through, but it's follow through. Bar 31 is good follow through, and you can see the market's kind of expanding, contracting, expanding, contracting. We go into that first pullback with bar 35. We have a nice little sell zone being made from bar 31's low. So we can see it stayed within the 30% level of the pullback from bar 31. So I measured the high of 31. This is 31. This is 30%, 50%, and 70%. And all these wicks tested and sold off right around the 30% level. So that could be a strong leg too if it can't even if the bulls can't get to the 50%. This become a strong leg too. Check it out. Wait a minute. I did this earlier and it worked. What did I do? Okay, yeah. I did the breakout. I think I did the breakout from here. I don't know. It was one of these bars. So I did the breakout once it was confirmed from the EMA, and we got a nice leg 1, leg 2. However, within this leg 1, leg 2 move, there was a wedge bottom being made, and the market did reverse after bar 43 tested the high of bar 5, and bulls got 2 legs up, which is also asymmetrical. Leg 1, see, not symmetrical. Range bound environment. It ends up being just a pullback for a bigger leg 1, leg 2 move made by the bears. Bar 49 confirms the breakout back to the downside with, bar 50 confirms the breakout to the downside with bar 51 being good follow through. Pull from the high to the low. It's a little too big. What about, I swear there was a measured move from this high. And then pull back. That might have been the measured move. I was looking at my phone, so I had to pop out the house. So yeah, nice pullback, double top into this resistance. Again, bar 30s. This time it's bar 30's 70% pullback level. Remember 30, 50, 70. Bar 51 bar 50 rejects it. Bar 51 is follow through, and bears get another 2 legs down. So there's multiple legs here. There's a leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, wedge bottom, leg 1, pullback. Bulls get leg 1, leg 2, and then bears get their leg 1, leg 2, and then within this leg, there's a leg 1, leg 2 move. And it was not met. Maybe if we go to the bar to the body, almost met. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, never mind, that's the right spot. I was going to say, if we put it on the high of that candle, it gets met. That is a pullback, but this is also a pullback because of the opposite bar. Bar 59, bulls buy the lows, and they pull back into the EMA. It's a broad bear channel, so whenever the market tested the channel extreme, bulls were buying it. I didn't have this channel up when I was trading though. We can extend it. Turn off the numbers here. I'm going to turn off the bigger EMA. Actually, we are trading below the bigger EMA. It's kind of hard to see. Do you guys see this green line? That's the hourly EMA on the 5-minute chart. We are trading below it, so it's better to have a bear bias. And since the first 6 bars were range bound but more bearish, it kind of all adds up to how this can be a bear channel. Intermediate and advanced traders can buy channel lows, but it's better to just short the high and take profits at the low. If you're an experienced trader, do whatever you please. Counter trend trade, leg 1, leg 2, leg 1, leg 2. A lot of leg 1, leg 2 moves today. Here we can see that was met. There's lots of ways to frame a trade today if you had missed out on anything. Leg 1 here, leg 2. Take it from the pullback and it's met to the close. See? I hope you guys are studying these leg 1, leg 2 moves, because we could just pretty much, I just framed almost every bar from a leg 1, leg 2 move. Or if we didn't get the leg 1, leg 2 move, it becomes a failure, and that in itself is also information. Daily chart, I updated the highs and lows and 50% level right before this video. This is last week's high, last week's low, 50% level, and we're bouncing right off the 50% level. Lots of trading range bars, that kind of sucks, but when it's a trading range, we sell high, buy low. Last 3 days have been trading range days. If you look at the hourly time frame within these dojis, bears are selling high, bulls are buying low, bears are getting nice bars at highs, and again, bulls are buying lows. So we'll see if the market can hold the 50% level of last week, and yeah, we'll see what happens. It's a short week today. We have 3 more trading days. After you see this video, there'll be 2 left. Hope you guys made money today. I hope you guys are studying. As you can see, breakouts and leg 1 and leg 2 moves are just they're there, and they're there for the grabs. So that's going to be my focus, is breakout and leg 1, leg 2 moves. I've been focusing on that, and it's been an alright start to the year. We're more than halfway through the month now. There's I think 8 trading days left, 7, 8 trading days left. So no, I think there's 9 trading days left, something like that. Anyways, hit the sub button. I drop these videos every day at 3 p.m. If you guys are learning something, leave a comment. Tell me what you guys want to see. Tell me if you guys are trading breakouts, leg 1, leg 2s, or what are you guys trading. Have a good day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.